So hello everyone, welcome back to our channel TST IT Tutorials, and today I am going to explain you how to write a literature review in research paper. So before we jump in, make sure to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. So let's get started. So first of all, we should know what is literature review in research paper. Okay, so the literature review is written overview of major writings and other sources on a selected topic. Sources covered in the review may include scholarly journal articles and books, government reports, website, etc. The literature review provide a description, summary, and evaluation of each sources. It means your statement accurately captures the essence of a literature review. Okay, it is indeed a comprehensive survey of significant writings and various sources related to a chosen topic. The sources encompasses a range of materials such as scholarly general articles, books, government's reports, websites, and more. The primary function of a literature review include providing a detailed description of each source, summarizing the key information of findings, and critically evaluating the relevance and quality of each piece. In sense, literature review not only showcases the exciting knowledge on a subject but also offers a critical analysis that aids researchers in understanding the context and shaping their own investigations. Okay, so from this, you might have come to know what literature review is. So, our next topic is what is the purpose of literature review? So, first of all, we should find out what is the purpose of literature review in research paper. Okay, the purpose of a literature review in a research paper is to provide a comprehensive and critical overview of existing scholarly literature on a specific topic. So, absolutely, your statement succinctly captures the core purpose of a literature review on a research paper. It emphasizes the dual role of being comprehensive by covering a wide range of existing scholarly literature and critical, by offering an evaluative overview. A well executed literature review not only demonstrates the researcher's familiarity with the existing body of knowledge but also plays a vital role in contextualizing the new research within the broader academic landscape. It serves as a foundation for identifying gaps, stabilizing the theoretical framework, and informing the methodology of the research project. So, overall, the literature review is a key component that contributes to the depth and credibility of a research paper. Okay, uh, it may be understood. So, next slide is on. What is the structure of a literature review? Uh, I just divided it in three part. Our first part should be introduction, and second body, and third one is conclusion. Okay, so in introduction we should add like purpose statement. What is the purpose of the literature review, and scope and criteria, and thesis or research question. So purpose statement should clearly state the purpose of the literature review, explaining why it is important in the context of the research. Scope and criteria should define the scope of the review, specifying the time frame, geographical focus, and exclusion criteria for selecting the source. Okay, thesis and research question should present a thesis statement or research question that the literature review aims to address. Okay, in body there is three subtitles: thematic organization, chronological organization, and critical analyze. Okay, thematical thematic organization should discuss and analyze the literature based on theme or topics. Understood. This should involves grouping sources together based on common ideas, concepts, or arguments. For example, group studies that discuss similar methodologies or theories. Okay, chronological organization means it should present the literature in chronological order to show the historical development of ideas, theories, or research finding. For example, trace the evolution of research on a topic over time. Okay, last one is critical analyze. So, critical analyze should evaluate the critique each source. Okay, discussing its strength, weakness, and contributions to the understanding of the topic. For example, we can say highlight contradiction or gaps in the existing literature. Last, in conclusion, summary of key finding. So, summary of key finding should be a summarized manner, summarize the main findings and contributions of a reviewed literature. Got it? And identification gaps. Identification of gaps should be emphasize the gaps or unanswered question in the existing research that your study aims to address. So, last one is closing thoughts. Closing thoughts conclude with a synthesis of the key points and their relevance to the broader field. Okay. This structure provides a logical and organized framework for presenting the existing knowledge on a topic and set the stage for the new research study. Keep in mind that the specific structure may vary depending on the requirement of your academic institution or the guidelines of the research paper. So with this, I end the video here and hope you have understood. Now see you in the next video. Till then, keep researching and thank you.